Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Just want to make a very short announcement that I'm now offering a tutorial in mathematics for junior and senior high school and even college students. So from basic algebra to advanced algebra to trigonometry, analytic geometry, solid mensuration, differential calculus, integral calculus, differential equations, advanced math, and also numerical methods. And perhaps in the future, I will be tutoring also engineering mechanics. If now there is a need, then I can do that also. So I'm offering both face-to-face and online. So you just message me or secure your schedule. So from Monday to Saturday, from 8 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so if you are interested, just message in the number that you can see above. Okay, and then to secure your slot, then you just inform me quickly so that I can put your names and the schedule that you prefer on our table of schedules. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.